If you don't like losing money, you're not alone. Many people are cautious about where they put their hard-earned cash, especially when it comes to investments. The fear of losing money can be paralyzing, but the allure of potential profits often outweighs the risks. But what if you could invest in something tangible, like real estate? The idea of owning property, flipping houses, and making a profit sounds appealing, doesn't it? Real estate has long been considered a stable investment, a way to build wealth over time. However, it's not without its pitfalls. Enter Chicago's iFLIP, a company that promised to make real estate investment easy and profitable. But for many, it turned out to be a nightmare. The glittering skyline of Chicago hides a darker story of financial distress and broken dreams. Dozens of Chicago families are now facing financial ruin, all thanks to iFLIP Chicago. These families, who once dreamed of financial independence and prosperity, are now grappling with the harsh reality of foreclosure and debt. The masterminds behind this venture, Ramo and Michele Bay, have been accused of orchestrating a Ponzi scheme. They presented themselves as savvy real estate investors, promising high returns and low risks. But the reality was far from their polished image. Investors were lured in with promises of profitable flips, but instead they found themselves ensnared in a web of deceit. The promise of easy money was too good to be true, and many learned this lesson the hard way. Imagine signing up for a loan, believing it to be a stepping stone to financial success, only to discover that you're responsible for someone else's debt. The shock and betrayal felt by these investors are palpable. That's exactly what happened here. The fine print in the contracts contained clauses that many didn't fully understand. These clauses, like cross-collateralization, meant that if iFLIP's loans fell behind, the investors had to cover the difference. Cross-collateralization clauses are complex and often misunderstood. They essentially tie multiple properties together, so if one property fails, the others are at risk. This created a domino effect, leading to widespread financial distress among investors. Now, many are drowning in debt, facing foreclosures and battling lawsuits to reclaim their lost investments. The legal battles are long and arduous, adding to the emotional and financial toll on these families. The properties themselves were often in poor condition, with shoddy work from unqualified contractors and failed city inspections. What was supposed to be a lucrative flip turned into a money pit, draining resources and hope. This serves as a stark reminder to always read the fine print. Contracts can be filled with legal jargon and hidden clauses that can have devastating consequences. It's crucial to understand every detail before signing anything. This is Chicago's real estate nightmare, and iFLIP is at the center of it all. The impact of this scheme has rippled through the community, leaving a trail of broken dreams and financial devastation. It's a cautionary tale for anyone looking to invest in real estate. The legal repercussions for Ramo and Michele Bay are still unfolding. They face numerous charges, including fraud and conspiracy. The courtroom battles are intense, with many investors hoping for justice and some form of restitution. For those considering real estate investment, it's essential to do thorough research and consult with trusted financial advisors. The allure of high returns can be tempting, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Educational seminars and workshops can provide valuable insights into the real estate market. Knowledge is power, and being well informed can help you make better investment decisions. While the iFLIP scandal is a stark warning, it's important to remember that not all real estate investments are doomed to fail. Many investors have found success by being diligent, cautious, and well-informed. Community support groups can also be a valuable resource. Sharing experiences and learning from others can provide support and guidance, especially for those who have been affected by schemes like iFLIP. Increasing your financial literacy is another crucial step. Understanding the basics of finance, investment, and real estate can empower you to make smarter decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Diversifying your investments is also key. Putting all your money into one venture can be risky. Spreading your investments across different assets can help mitigate risks and increase the chances of returns. Working with reputable real estate agents and professionals can make a significant difference. They can provide valuable insights, help you navigate the market, and ensure that you're making informed decisions. The internet is a powerful tool for research. There are countless resources available online that can help you understand the real estate market. investment strategies, and potential red flags to watch out for. Consulting with a lawyer before signing any contracts is also a wise move. Legal professionals can help you understand the terms and conditions, ensuring that you're not unknowingly agreeing to something that could harm you financially. By taking these steps, you can protect yourself and your investments. The iFLIP scandal is a harsh reminder of the importance of due diligence and being well informed. Don't let the promise of easy money cloud your judgment. Chicago's real estate market, like any other, has its ups and downs. While the iFLIP scandal has cast a shadow, there is still hope for those who approach investment with caution and knowledge. The city continues to grow and evolve, offering opportunities for those willing to put in the work. In the end, successful investment is about making informed decisions, understanding the risks, and being prepared for the unexpected. With the right approach, real estate can still be a viable path to financial success. Let the iFLIP story be a lesson and a motivation. Learn from the mistakes of others, stay informed, and always be cautious. Your financial future depends on it. Stay informed, protect your investments, and always read the fine print. Your financial well-being is worth the effort.